Okay, this is number 13, and it says the circumference of a circle, so we're working with circumference. We know it is 41.8 feet, and we're trying to find the diameter. Remember, we have two formulas, pi times diameter, or 2 pi r. So we're trying to find the diameter, so we're going to use that formula, and we're going to do 3.14 times d, solve for d. And your diameter would equal 13.3 and it's feet. Okay, for the next one, it talks about the circumference, so it's either going to be 2 pi r or pi times d. It tells us the circumference is 50.24. And it's wanting us to find the radius, so we need to use the formula with the radius. So 2 times 3.14 times r. 2 times 3.14 is 6.28 times r. Divide by 6.28. R equals 8, and it was centimeters. Okay, for this one, if a tire on a bike has a radius of 12 inches, how far will the bike travel in 100 rotations? So we're talking about how far it would travel if it continued to rotate 100 times. So we're going around. So that's your circumference. So 2 times 3.14 times 12. So that's going to be one rotation. So let's see. 2 times 3.14 times 12 would be 75.36, or 75.4 would be if we went around one time. But we need to know how many would be 100 rotations. So that would be 7540. It would travel 7,540 inches, which is about 628 feet, just in case you were interested. Okay, the last part is Elisa has a circular garden, and it has a diameter of 17.5 feet, and she's going to use 3 teaspoons of fertilizer for every 30 square feet of the garden. So we're talking about area, because square feet is area. So how much is she going to need to cover the garden? First, we have to find the area of the garden. So we need the formula, area equals pi r squared. We know the diameter of the dad. We need half of the dad. So if you divide that by 2, the radius is 8.75. So we're going to do 3.14 times 8.75 squared. And if you do that, 3.14 times 8.75 squared, and you get 240.4. I don't know. Yeah, I guess that's what she wanted you to round to on that one. So, I mean, I think she set it up as a proportion, and I guess you could do that. This is the number of square feet. So we'll set it up as a proportion. We need 3 teaspoons for every 30 square feet, and we have 240.4 square feet. So how many teaspoons would we need? We're going to multiply and multiply. So 30x equals, I think that is 721.2. 721.2. Now solve it. And this is going to tell me how many teaspoons I'm going to need. So 721.2 divided by 30 is 24.04 teaspoons. And I don't know if she wants you to round it up to the next teaspoon. 24 teaspoons is not going to be enough. So you would probably get 25 teaspoons. But I see that the directions say round to the nearest tenths place. So the answer would be 24.0 teaspoons.